Hello guys, we will be doing chenille stem flowers. So these are the little fluffy sticks of metal. That's what you may call them. And we are going to need, for one flower, we're going to need 4 stems. So we're going to take one stem and make it into a circle. So try to make it small but not too small because we are gonna add in the other 3 stems. So depending on who's wearing it, that's how thick, well not thick, but how big the circle is going to be. So I'm going to make it fairly small, not too much, and we are going to twist the tops so they can lock in and then snap it off. So you may want to use either tweezers that are special for the metal, or you can use some old scissors. So that's how it looks like. It looks pretty tiny. And then we are going to take 3 of those stems and fold them in half. Once you fold them in half, you want to put the circle through all of them. It make its way through to the point, like so. Alright, now hold the ring and then get the stems and twist them. I twist them around 2 times. And now you get something like this. But you want to separate all the sticks so you can then later on roll them and have enough space for each. Okay, now to roll them, I use my nail for the first one, and then I keep using my fingertips to roll them in. So I try to make them pretty tight, the rolls, because they kind of unroll. And then you just keep doing that for all of the stems. So you should have 6 circles. Alright, now this is what you get, and you want to straighten them all out. I like to put them all straight and divided in 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. Then you can kind of roll them a little bit more if you would like, or stretch them out. Alright, now that you have that, I twist them on the bottom to one side. So I look at the ones that are kind of twisting already and twist to that side. So I won't force them too much. So we will be twisting to the right. And it gives it the shape of a flower because they are kind of overlapping. Alright, and now this time you can just kind of adjust it, pull them a little, or if you want them bigger, you pull them. If you want a more tight flower, then you roll them back together. And then I just take a small little stem, about an inch. Let me show y'all. Alright, about an inch. And then we are going to roll it. And we are going to place it right in the center of the flower. And you can make all of these flowers different colors. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is the first craft of my channel, and if you would like to see more crafts or you have a suggestion, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you.